Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. We're in the lovely Marmaris, so let's see Wagwan. You all know the vibe. It's taking a nice little walk up the promenade. Absolutely roasting. Chose to cover myself up today because it's just like Marmaris is on another level. It's like 40 something. And yeah, when you're walking, you're doing this, you're constantly in the sun. So I was like, I do not want to go back with raw red shoulders. Keep yourself safe. Oh, don't get in the way of this person's photo. Right, so let's spin you guys round and you can see the beautiful promenade. Let's see what's new. We're into the peak season of the beautiful Marmaris. Hot, hot, hot. So we came sort of just beginning of the season. We came last year into September as well, and that was there towards the end of the season. And this is just, yeah, to show you guys what's going on. Again, prices haven't really changed too much. Hello, you all right? But if I do notice anything drastic, I will obviously show you, so you guys are fully aware for your holiday if you're coming out with your family. Hello, you all right, guys? Thank you. Bye-bye. So yeah, and make sure you guys know everything that's going on. We have managed to find some cheap lager to keep you guys hydrated. So I think it was 120 lira, which is about £2, and in dollars I think that's about 170, or maybe it's more. I'll try and put the conversions on the screen, but if not, you guys can work it out. It's on your apps, there's plenty of them. Type it in and it'll tell you what that is for the most current time, as it does change, especially with all the madness going on in the world. So yeah, the water looks nice and calm today. Haven't actually gone for a swim today. Our swimming pool, like, we're staying at a lovely hotel. It's a lot more local. It's called the Astoria. There's a lot of kids there, and you know, kids and swimming pools. So I've just kind of really avoided it. Done a little bit of sunbathing when we've had time. But yeah, most of the time I've just been sort of paddling, and then the sea. I love the sea, but that sand gets everywhere. We went for a night swim, and the other night came home. I mean, I did like try to, you know, water everything off. But the next day, the hotel room was just like covered in sand. You know, nice ones here. So yeah, we had to, obviously it got cleaned, which is absolutely perfect. There you go, large draft beer, 130 lira. So I was just saying, we found one for 120. The fact that you got this as your viewpoint. Hello guys, you're right. 130 is not a bad price at all. So that's gonna be what, 210? My math is mathing. Again, do have a look on your own website. Sorry, I'm filming, sorry. We will do, we'll be back. We're always here. Yeah, I don't have time to stop today. My battery is on 40%. Hello Shaggy, you okay? Make sure you check out Point. I will do. This place is really good. But again, yeah, I've got a very little battery and it's so hot I can't really stop. You've got the lovely boom bar. Hello, you okay? I'm good, thank you.
Where are you going?
Just doing a filming of the promenade.
Sure.
Do check out Boom, we have got a video, so do check it out. It's a lovely place.
Yes.
Lovely people, lovely beach. Perfect to relax.
See you then.
Yes, we'll see you soon. Bye. So yeah, my battery is running low, so I am on a mission. And then also, because of the heat, the cameras do overheat every now and then. So Boom Beach, Boom Bar, and unfortunately it is roasting, so the cameras can only do what the cameras can do in this heat. Do let me know if you have that issue. Obviously your phones can get hot too, but I don't really get my phone out because I'm always sort of using the camera most of the time, which is nice. But when I do, my phone gets quite hot as well. So you've got some Tana there. This one's got like a little stage. Goes right back. So again, we have got nightlife videos. If you do want to see Wagwan after dark, you can check out the nighttime vibes here and see how it sort of changes, which bars are pumping. We've gone this whole strip up and down. So yeah, you will see everything. And this is just, yeah, an updated, this is the summer, which is so weird to say. I cannot believe we're already in summer. Crazy how time is flying. But yeah, so if you are coming out with the kids in the summer holidays, if you're going to be here, this is the most up-to-date prices. There is going to be a slight increase possibly on the beers because the government have upped the tax. So not because they just want to up it because of the season, it's because unfortunately, if you know anything about pubs or stuff like that, when the taxes goes up on the premiums, the beers, the lagers, ciders, all of it, unfortunately you have to hack your prices up just to make sure you're actually making money, because it is a business at the end of the day. So yeah, it is a bit of a shame. We have done a few videos on it where some of the guys have sort of explained. So yeah, if you are interested, if you are concerned, or you're like, why is the prices up? There is a reason. They're not just doing it because of greed reasons. It's because unfortunately they have to make a living as well. But yeah, do comment below if you think the prices have gone up. I know obviously from the first time we came to now it has. But like I said, we are always looking for a bargain for you. And we have managed to find quite a few this holiday. So if you are still coming here and you want to get your money's worth, do check out the content, check out the videos. As always, I put all the details. We've gone to the places, it's been tried and tested, location, everything. So you can check that out and then you know exactly where to go. You all right, guys? Having a good holiday? Yeah. But yeah, if you want to not care and you just want to go anywhere, then yeah, loads of different restaurants, all different prices. But yeah, if you are looking for a bargain, we have got you. And the same for hotels. Hotel we're staying at, hello. It's all inclusive, very good price. Like I said, it is a local hotel, but it is in the heart of Ishmael. You've got the beach, 2 minutes walk. It's alcohol included, you get all your courses, you get your in-between courses, so you never go hungry basically. Get your late night soup, the food options. You're right, guys? Hello. Are really, really good as well.
Come to Marmaris, best place in the world.
Thank you. Really good. We stayed last time at a bit more of a upmarket hotel, so it was yes, welcome. You alright, guys? Are you on holiday? You having a good time? Good to see you. Enjoy your holiday, guys. Yeah, so we stayed at Marmaris Park Hotel, and that was obviously absolutely beautiful, but in terms of food, there was a little bit more option in terms of the sort of like buffets for lunch and dinner, and a little bit more for breakfast. You're right, guys? I'm okay for now, but thank you. But unfortunately, like for the price difference, thank you. The one we're staying at, there's not really much in between it, so I'm very much for you can find a bargain, still get good food, good service, good alcohol without spending a pretty penny. You're doing your workout, yeah? You gone for a swim?
So what are you doing? Are you TikTok or what?
YouTube, yeah.
You're a YouTuber?
YouTube, I come in here quite a lot.
Go on, this is Salt and Pepper. It's one of the most unique and busiest place. We got the love heart.
We've got it on the channel. We've been here, don't worry. I can't stop now, but I have been here plenty of times.
You have to advertise about the right place. You're doing post advertisement
on our channel. We got thumbnails with this on. We advertise you all the time. Don't you worry. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers. So yeah, if you do want to go to... Huh? Oh no, we're good.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you get any money for doing this?
We do get it from the channel, yes.
Okay. Well, join my channel inside, yeah?
I will do. Okay, thank you. So yeah, Salt and Pepper, obviously, that is on the channel if you do want to check it out. Like I said, I cannot stop today. Wish I could. but I feel like my camera may have already stopped, so I'll check what the time is saying on there. There's the battery. The battery should have really been charged when I stopped to have a drink, and I forgot to, so silly me. What are we at? Let's have a look, guys. Oh yeah, my battery's on red. Right, in that case, I'm going to end it. I managed to make it to Salt and Pepper. We're just coming up to, what are we at now? Find the location, Dolly Waffle House. Right, if you've enjoyed the content, like, subscribe, and if you do ever see us out, say wagwan like those guys, you will be featured on the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.